Hey everybody, so today my order of posable fingerlings with sound came in, and these are the different colors that they have. There's 4 that are sparkly and 4 that are not, that you can see. And then here's Riley.
Hi.
And she's going to show you how they are. So that's the size compared to her. So what are they, about
my head.
Yeah, about 10 inches high maybe. And this one is the pink sparkly one that she has.
She has very fluffy pink hair. It's super cute. And she's really posable. So she can be like this. And then press her tummy. And she says stuff. And her face is, all of their faces are like a beige. And so this is what you can do if you want to pose her. Oh, look. They're moving at the same time.
Well, how about her legs? Do they pose?
Yes.
Can you make them sit, or?
Yeah, you can.
Well,
You
have to work them around because they're all brand new. But anyway, so Riley has the pink sparkly one. And then there's the purple sparkly.
Another pink sparkly.
But a white sparkly, light blue sparkly, and then there's the plain purple, plain white, the plain teal, and the plain black. Okay, and these are going to be $19.99 plus shipping. So say bye, Riley.
Bye.
Let us know if you want any. I only have a limited supply. Bye.